All right. So
all I want a phone for is in case I'm stuck in my car someplace.
I hear you. All right. So Retro Road Mappers. This is Maud Betty. Retro Road Husband and I were actually driving through Lansdale going to get donuts. But anyhow, the Robert E. D. Barth Typewriter Sales and Service was open. And I've driven past this place for forever. And they were open, so I decided to come in. And we just had the most awesome conversation with Robert. He makes typewriters better when they're broken. There's a wonderful typewriter kind of hall of fame here that you can come take a look at. He's been working on typewriters and fixing them since 1944. He started, let's just say I'm impressed and amazed. He's 90 years old. We just had a wonderful conversation with him about all these old great typewriters. So if you have an old typewriter that you want to get repaired or maybe you want to learn more about, they've got a website. I'm going to have to look it up when I get home, and I swear I'm going to post it. But this place is just, I'm all agog at how awesome this place is, because not only does he have these machines that he repairs and they're for sale if you're looking to get into typewriters, but he also just makes all sorts of things, and it's just amazing. And so if you're looking for really old typewriters, you know, they're not inexpensive, but people, they just don't make stuff like this anymore. I don't know if you can see this. There's one over here, like just the different ways they do it. And, you know, the quick brown fox has indeed jumped over the lazy dogs. And he's done some paintings here. And there's, oh wow, is that one of your paintings?
If you get a good idea, all you have to have is a $200,000 machine.
That is beautiful. He also, some of his paintings are on display here. With the
that really go boom.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Right. So, yeah, so this is great if you want to send him your typewriter. I will give more information here, and frankly, we could stand here chatting all day because this is just such a wealth of information. He fixes things that nobody else can fix, and I'm just so glad we stopped by. So again, this is the Robert Barth Typewriter Repair Shop in Lansdale, PA. And yeah, Maud Betty is completely smitten. So this place is a gem. As I often say, this is a painting he made when he was 14 years old, based on a cover of a Life magazine. He did it in house paint. He's got maps of every place that he sends. People send him their typewriters to get repaired. I mean, I just could go on and on. I'm still kind of in awe, and I feel so lucky that we were able to come here and we saw the light on, so we knocked on the door. And yes, so I'm going to stop walking around in here, but this, I'm telling you, we need to get some young kids in here to learn these things, because check this out. Look at, did you ever see a typewriter like that before? No, you haven't, because they don't make them like this anymore. Or this teeny weeny little guy. Look at how adorable that is. 90 years old, still repairs these, still works day after day. I realize I'm kind of rambling, but I'm just all kind of like, my heart's aflutter, because this is just a find and a half. And I just love that Retro Road Husband and he are just chatting about stuff. He actually plays a little bit of guitar. I know they probably are hearing me talk about him, but this is just great, people. So if you're looking for an old typewriter or a painting or an embossing machine, because he's got a machine shop in the back, he makes all the extra parts that you can't just pick up a part for these old place things, guys. Like, he makes these little things right here because they don't have them anymore. Yeah. And I need to calm down, and I need to kind of be quiet about it. But this place is just a find, and I'm just so happy to be able to share it with you guys, because, you know, Robert's 90 years old, and he's doing great. And you should come and check it out for yourself. And if not, I hope that I was able to bring this a little bit to you guys, because I know Phil Rockabilly from the UK, you're watching right now. So, hey, Phil. And this is exciting because trust me, these places don't have, you know, there's not a lot of them here in the U.S. But I am thrilled that we actually tried the doorknob and it was opened, and we came and took a look. And he's here, and I'm going to sign off by showing you this really cool the telephone, and I'll just do I'll do a nice slow pan of these great machines, and then we'll sign off looking at this, because this place is just beautiful. All right, Maud Betty signing off from the road. You just never know what you're going to find if you decide to check the doorknob, and you may be thinking you're going to get donuts, and instead you've got typewriters, and the world's a better place for it. So, all right. Until then, Retro Road Mappers, go out and support those cool vintage places, because once they're gone, they're gone. All right, my friends? We'll talk later. Oh, Linda, just so you know, real quick, we're in Lansdale, PA. This is Robert Barth's typewriter repair shop. I've driven past it a bunch of times, didn't know it was open, and we decided to try the doorknob, and we have been totally loving the fact that it's here, and that Robert Barth, who is 90 years old, who repairs these wonderful machines, showed us around. I'll be back doing a more proper video at some point, but this was just too cool not to share. All right, we got to go get our donuts, but thanks so much for checking in, you guys, and over and out.